Good evening, everyone. My name is Muskan Sapna, a third-year student who is pursuing BTech with AIML branch, and my team member name is Sapna Heva. She is right now is not present because of medical reasons, so I will be presenting here. So first of all, my project is AI-driven intelligent logistic system tracking and coordination system for multi-station operation. The- So why we need this project? Currently, we are facing some challenges like logistic coordination, operational inefficiency, human dependency, and lack of real-time insights. So this system leverages AI and automation to streamline multi-stations logistic coordination by integrating AI-powered predictive analytics for shipment forecasting, chatbot automation for real-time anomaly detection to identify, and AI-powered dashboard for better visualization and interaction. So why is this important? Currently, we suffer from inefficient due to manual tracking and lack of automation. So AI will improve decision making and reduce the delay and automate responses. So here's the statement and solution is hybrid chatbot, rule-based processing and NLP-based processing. Through NLP-based processing, we will implement chatbot for interaction to the users. And this is the data collection and pre-processing methods. So, and we have, sir, can I use bilingual mode? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, can I use bilingual mode?
Sorry.
क्या मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ थोड़ा?
हाँ, go ahead ना. You can use bilingual mode too.
थैंक यू सर। ये यहाँ से डेटा कलेक्शन एंड प्री प्रोसेसिंग का मेथड है। कैगल और यूसीआई एमएल रिपोजिटरी से हम डेटा कलेक्शन कर सकते हैं। मैंने डेटा कलेक्शन भी किया है फॉर लॉजिस्टिक मॉडल। फॉर आई हैव ट्रेन माय लॉजिस्टिक मॉडल, सो आई हैव downloaded my CSV file from Kaggle and pre-process it. And these are the methods how to pre-process the data and where we can collect the data through various websites. And I have used text libraries like Flask for integration of AI and Pandas, NumPy for model training, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Prophet, Transformer, Matplotlib, Sequon, Plotly, and Dash. And AI models are scikit-learn based for ML, NLTK for NLP, and TensorFlow, PyTorch for deep learning and AI models. And for front end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and database, PostgreSQL, and deployment will be Render, Railway, or GitHub pages.
Okay, Muskan, move towards your methodology, like the
Okay.
steps you have implemented in your code. Do you have that slide?
Yes, sir. Predictive AI for logistic forecasting,
Got it.
and NLP-based chatbot for communication, anomaly detection for logistic bottleneck, connect to database for with PostgreSQL. So can I explain all these?
I'd like to see the code for this now.
Okay, sir. I have trained my model, which is logistic model for.
Can you show your first slide again?
Okay, sir.
First and second slide.
Wait. This
Next.
is the okay.
Next. Yeah. Now go for your code.
Okay.
Now you can show the code now.
Wait. Your mouse is not working. Yeah. So this is my code and model that I have trained. This is the data set that I have extracted. Daily demand forecasting. This is logistic forecasting model. So here's the, I have trained it. So sorry, there is some issue. Yeah. So is it visible? Yeah. तो ये मॉडल है जो मैंने ट्रेन किया है और इसका
Hello,
आउटपुट ये है.
hello, excuse me. Can you wait a second? Ayushman has left the meeting. He will be coming back. Just wait a second.
I'm audible now, right?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm audible now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can start with your data set first.
What?
You can start with your data set. Like, can you explain me your data set? Where did you get your data from? What are the columns?
Okay, wait. Let me show you. So this is the data set and these are the columns that I have mentioned. Day of the week, non-urgent ordered, urgent orders and type, ऑर्डर के टाइप्स हैं और बैंकिंग से रिलेटेड ऑर्डर्स हैं. इस टाइप का डेटा सेट है जो इंटीजर एंड फ्लोट का फॉर्म है.
And where did you get this data set from?
फ्रॉम कैगल.
Okay, can you show me the link for this data set?
You are not audible right now. Hello?
Yeah, can you show me the link to the exact page where you downloaded it from?
Right now, let me.
Yeah, do you have you with you or
So you are not properly audible.
do you have it with you? Do you have linked the dataset page?
So I don't have right now the link, but I have searched from through the GPT and get the link, and through the direct link, I got the data set. Maybe it
Okay,
will.
fine. Just you can send it over on the group later. Just proceed with the code now.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So this is the model that I have trained. Yeah, here is the code, and yes, this is the model that I have trained. So and this is the output of my model. Accuracy rate is 87. That's it. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, you're audible. Go ahead.
I have trained my model using Prophet library And this model will forecast the order like previous records, uh, related to order details. It predicts the order date. So, I have only trained. I haven't uh, mm, done lots of things related to this model. So I'm just training.
So model is fine. You're getting your MSc scores are also within range. Uh, have you worked on the station or forecast station-based forecasting?
No, sir. I have
Oh,
also.
so I'll tell you what another guy from like one of your groups did for the same project. He actually did not take any data set. He created his own SQL tables for that, but he created a whole system of automated code triggers, which work on the basis of changing values in the database.
Like real-time data set?
Yeah, it's kind of a streaming data, but what it does is uh, like whatever, like there are different stations and all of them are coordinating with the same database. Now, what
Okay.
happens is when a particular garrison or a warehouse, basically, not a garrison, is tending to lack, not exactly lacking, but tending to lack in a certain product, it is already triggered and intimated to the previous warehouse to supply that product to the next warehouse. Now, he hasn't worked on the prediction of it yet, but that's his basic idea. You've trained the model and all, but see, the target of this project was to like create an automated supply chain where we don't interfere at all. We run a simulation and like you can call it a number of simulations. You can have a starting condition. You can have say algorithm that's working inside that simulation, and then you can have like in real time see the output of each level of code. You've done your basic like bubble sort, merge sort, and all that, right? That right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just think of it as an iteration. You have different input conditions in each starting point. Like you can have different garrisons and warehouses as well as outlets set up. You can like create a graph or a tree for that, or a basic DSA thing that would also work. And then you can write your prediction algorithm. This can be your FB profit. It can be some other basic algorithm as well. It does not need, see, it's not about making the big model or using FB Profit or ARIMA that's known for regression and good like time-based predictions. That is fine. But see, it's you can take the most basic model with a little high MSC score, that's fine, but it should first function inside the system.
Okay, sir.
You can create a basic linear regression model, but I want to see the system.
Okay. I will understand. Understand.
Did you understand what the other guy did? What I
Yes,
explained
yes,
just
yes,
now?
yes. Understood.
Start with your like first set up a simulation of what would different kinds of outlets and different kinds of shops would look like. You can take the inspiration from like how Zomato works. You can like read a case study, or
Okay, sir.
Blinkit works actually. How are they supplying orders? How are they maintaining their stockpile? Where are the warehouses located? What is the distance between the warehouses?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then you can put your basic linear regression model, which just predicts if your quantity of a certain thing is reducing at a rate greater than expected. And then we have to trigger a buyout from a previous warehouse or from the source warehouse. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This can perfectly function without AI as well. Okay, don't think that we have to implement AI, but we have to implement AI. But in any case, your base can work without an AI model as well. You can put up some basic rules if and else cases. and then it would still work. But then we have to introduce AI to provide uniqueness to it. Okay?
Yes,